Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use one of Word's most useful tools, Find and Replace. This feature saves time when editing long documents and helps you quickly fix repeated errors or update text consistently. Step 1. Opening Find and Replace. To get started, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard or go to the Home tab and click on Replace in the editing group. This opens the Find and Replace dialog box. In my sample document, the word organization is misspelled using an S instead of a Z. Let's fix this. In the Find What box, I'll type organization, and in the Replace With box, I'll type organization. Then I'll click Replace All. Word tells me it made 3 replacements in the document. Step 3. Replacing phrases. You're not limited to single words. For example, my document has the phrase, "best regards" multiple times. If I want to update it to "sincerely," I can type the whole phrase in the Find What box, type the replacement in the other box, and replace them all at once. Step 4. Match case and whole words. Sometimes you need to be precise. For instance, if I search for the word in, I don't want Word to replace words like inside or begin. To fix this, I'll click on More greater than in the dialog box, and then check Match whole word only. Similarly, if I only want to replace project with a capital P but not project, with lowercase, I can use Match Case. Step 5. Using wildcards. Find and Replace can even handle patterns. For example, in my document, I have phone numbers written like 123-456-7890, but I want them to use dots instead, like 123.456.7890. Using the wildcards option, I can search for dashes and replace them with dots in just seconds. Step 6. Reviewing changes. It's a good idea to go one by one sometimes. Instead of clicking Replace All, use Find Next and then Replace so you can review each change carefully. This way, you don't accidentally replace text in the wrong place. And that's it. With Find and Replace, you can quickly clean up documents, correct errors, and save a lot of editing time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials, and ring the bell for more step-by-step guides.